Nonprofits, your fiscal year-end may not be December 31st, but focusing on year-end giving is critical to fundraising success. As of right now, you have about 1 month before the giving season kicks in full swing. Listen to this. About 1/3 of giving occurs in December, with about 10% of giving concentrated in the last 3 days of the year. So what are you doing right now to prime yourself for the giving season and seek support from your major donors? Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. First of all, if you have not been in one-on-one contact with your top donors, stop what you're doing right now and establish simple one-on-one engagement strategies for each of your top major donors. Start with 3 people and contact them over the next 3 days. Don't overthink it. For instance, let donors know of a recent success story, a change in plans for an upcoming event, additional program pivots in response to the ongoing pandemic, or seek their advice on a project. There's plenty of reasons to contact your top supporters right now. Additionally, here's one big thought as to why you want to be personally engaging with your top donors. They don't want to only hear from you at year end and only when you're seeking support. In fact, this is your last chance before Thanksgiving to spend some one-on-one time with your most loyal donors before it gets hectic. When it's time to seek their support, remember that asking for money is about giving someone an opportunity to make a difference. Your role as a fundraiser is to help others make this world a better place, be a part of the greater good, and make people feel good about their philanthropy. With that being said, there are 3 reasons why the end of the year is so important for nonprofits. Number 1, it's the season for giving thanks. The year-end holiday season puts people in a more generous mood and frame of mind. The span from Thanksgiving to New Year's is a time of giving thanks. It's a time for giving back and to causes we believe in. No doubt, the holiday season makes people more inclined to give. It's simply a generous time of year. Number 2, donors being more open to an ask. The holiday spirit tends to make people more approachable to an ask, especially when a donor has been supportive of your nonprofit year after year. Number 3, last, it's the season to wrap up giving. Oftentimes, the end of the year represents the last opportunity for donors to make a tax-deductible gift for the year. This is a driver of charitable giving for some people in the last days of the year. In summary, the season for giving is fast approaching, and you are a gift-receiving organization. For most nonprofits, you live by the generosity of others, individuals, corporations, and foundations. Certainly be in touch with your donors as we lead up to Thanksgiving. You have an important role to play. You help make others' wishes and desires come true through philanthropy. Tell me what you're doing right now to stay connected with your donors. Let me hear from you. I would love for you to provide a comment below. Also, if you have not already grabbed my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. Check it out. I'll see you next time.